Best microfiber cleaning cloths ensure streak-free shine, scratch-free surfaces, superior absorbency, durability, and reusable eco-friendly cleaning for home and car. My today's video is about top 5 best microfiber cleaning cloths that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Arkwright's Smart Rags in Box. The Smart Rags professional microfiber cleaning cloths are built for serious cleaning performance across demanding environments, from automotive shops to healthcare facilities. Made with advanced 80% polyester and 20% polyamide microfiber, each cloth contains thousands of tiny fissures that effectively trap dirt, dust, and grime using little to no chemicals. This makes them not only powerful but also economical and eco-friendly. The seamless edge design ensures streak-free, scratch-free results, making them safe for delicate surfaces like glass, paint, and stainless steel. Measuring 12 inches by 12 inches with a durable 180 GSM thickness, they offer the perfect balance of flexibility and absorbency. The convenient pop-up dispenser box is a standout feature, providing neat storage and quick, one-at-a-time access. Ideal for fast-paced workspaces. Easy to maintain, these cloths withstand multiple washes when properly cared for, delivering long-lasting performance. Smart Rags truly offer a reliable, professional-grade cleaning solution. Now our second product is generic 5PCS New Upgrade Dishcloth. These microfiber dish rags are a smart, eco-friendly upgrade for any kitchen. Designed to replace disposable paper towels and bacteria-prone sponges, they feature a premium waffle weave texture that instantly absorbs spills and speeds up dishwashing. The microfiber material is soft yet durable, effectively lifting grease and grime without scratching delicate surfaces like glass, stainless steel, or non-stick cookware. What truly stands out is the dual texture design. The mesh scrubber side easily tackles stuck-on food, while the waffle weave side handles wiping and drying with impressive efficiency. They dry quickly, reducing odors and making them more hygienic for daily use. Beyond the kitchen, these versatile black and blue cloths work perfectly in bathrooms, on countertops, and even for car cleaning. Lightweight yet sturdy, they function as washcloths, wipes, and scrubbers all in one, eliminating the need for multiple cleaning tools. Practical, reusable, and long-lasting, they're a reliable addition to any household cleaning routine. Our third product is the Streak Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. The streak-free microfiber cloth delivers impressive performance for anyone tired of dealing with smudges and residue on glass surfaces. Using advanced microfiber technology, it effortlessly lifts dirt, fingerprints, and grime from windows, mirrors, and shower doors, leaving a crystal-clear, streak-free finish every time. One of its biggest advantages is chemical-free cleaning. Just add water, and the cloth does the work, making it a safer and more eco-friendly alternative to traditional glass sprays. This not only protects surfaces, but also creates a healthier home environment. The convenient 6-pack ensures you always have a cloth within reach, whether in the kitchen, bathroom, or garage. Beyond glass, these cloths perform exceptionally well on stainless steel appliances, countertops, and even as dusting or car detailing rags. Durable and machine washable, they're built for repeated use without losing effectiveness. Featured on TV for a reason, these cloths combine convenience, sustainability, and superior cleaning power in one reliable solution. Now in number 4, Amazon Basics Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. This 24-pack of 16x 12-inch microfiber cleaning cloths delivers outstanding value and professional-level performance for automotive and household use. Made from a premium blend of 60% biconstituent fiber, 81% polyester, 19% polyamide, and 40% polyester, these towels are engineered for maximum softness, strength, and absorbency. The ultra-soft, non-abrasive texture makes them completely safe for delicate surfaces, including car paint, vinyl wraps, glass, chrome, and interior trims. Whether used dry, for dusting, or with liquid cleaners for deeper washing, they provide streak-free, Lint-free results every time. One of their most impressive features is absorbency. They can soak up to 8 times their own weight, making drying cars, trucks, or boats faster and more efficient. Despite their softness, they are highly durable and can be reused hundreds of times without losing effectiveness. For anyone seeking reliable, scratch-free, and long-lasting cleaning towels, this microfiber set is a smart and cost-effective choice. And our last choice is Siga Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. These ultra-soft microfiber cleaning cloths are designed to deliver safe, scratch-free performance on even the most delicate surfaces. Whether you're wiping windows, polishing kitchenware, or detailing your car, the plush yet durable fibers glide smoothly without leaving marks or damage. Highly absorbent and completely lint-free, these cloths quickly soak up spills from countertops and tables, leaving behind a spotless, streak-free finish. They perform just as effectively with plain water as they do with cleaning solutions, making them a versatile and eco-friendly option for kitchens, bathrooms, mirrors, and appliances. Beyond general wiping, they excel as odor-resistant dish rags, effortlessly cutting through grease on plates, pots, pans, and even microwaves. They also double as excellent dusters, removing fingerprints from silverware and glass with ease. Built with reinforced stitching and quality edges, these towels withstand hundreds of washes. Measuring 32 by 32 centimeters and sold in a convenient 12-pack, they offer generous coverage and long-lasting everyday cleaning power. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.